Good morning, guys!
Good morning!
It's Dima and Nika here, and we continue to explore beautiful Bali Island. Today we're going to Jatiluwih rice fields. Also there's a waterfall nearby, and the second point, it's the main one.
It's a Bratan lake. Also there's a temple.
Botanic garden. It should be a pretty great view from there.
Yeah, and mountains. Just
Yeah.
a lot of stuff in one area. So you're going to spend a lot of time there.
It's pretty big road. Google said it's 4 hours and 45 minutes on the road.
One way?
No, both way with coming back at home. I add here a few another places to visit, but I think we will skip them because it's already 10 a.m. We, as usual, are not early
But we get up
birds.
at 7.
So, let's go. We arrived at the entrance of Jatiluwih rice terraces. It's a huge territory.
Just all over the place, wherever you go, it's like huge, a lot of stairs of rice fields.
To get here, we stuck in the biggest traffic jam we have been so
It's
far.
been terrible.
Yeah, today is some kind of ceremony. On Bali is a lot of them, practically
You
every day.
really can't know if it's gonna happen or not. Took our chances, went straight and the road was closed, so we had to take another one, and it seems like everyone on this island had to take that road. We stuck there for more than an hour, I think.
Yeah, thankfully
And
we had a bike, so we can like do a snake among the cars. I think if you have a car, you're just stuck there for the whole day. The road right here at the entrance is pretty crazy.
It's like broken and very steep.
Yes,
Going up.
I do a max power to my bike, and it was thankfully enough. Here at the entrance you can find a map with a lot of places you can visit here in Terraces. From here and even from the road which we took, we can see these mountains. I'm not sure which one is which. Some of them could be a Bratan where we're going. Here in Bali it's a lot of
mountains.
And mountains. Yeah, it's pretty impressive.
Yeah, they're huge.
You can see this one just like touching the sky. We took with us warm clothes because we're going up and it could be chilly there.
Yeah,
so.
but still here it's very hot.
Yeah. So let's go to check these terraces a little more closer. We're driving around this horrible road. You can see these two lines. On bike you need to stick to one of them, and sometimes it's a little bit slippery.
But here it's just amazing.
Yeah, we just saw this and we need to stop to enjoy this.
It's like endless.
Endless amount of rice terraces. They all like so beautiful. These small green things inside of the huge reservoir of water. Sorry about the sound, windy.
It's a little windy here.
Yeah.
See the whole island over there.
There's the ocean over there, and we even can see Jimbaran with Garuda Vishnu, which we show you in another video.
It's just crazy.
Yeah. What I know about these rice terraces, it's 300 hectares, they all with rice, and 400 people works here to support all of this.
I think maybe even more people should be here.
Also on Bali they have their own harvesting irrigation model, agriculture model, and a community around it. It's called Suvak. They have some kind of special irrigation system. Yeah, which they use only here in Bali. In compound to volcanic soil, it's allow them to
harvest rice 3 or 4 times a year.
Yeah, so
which other Asian countries can't do.
It's really impressive. The rice get the water like by this system, not the people do that. So it's automatical.
By this magic, they can manage to like work on all of this land with just 400 people. It's crazy.
Yeah, so totally recommend this place to visit. This is a map, and we entered here and go along this road, and now we're here and we found a walkable road.
Something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own will. It's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now. A breeze in my ear, 'cause you know I cannot say no to you. Feeling like home, but should it be like this? Locked up in your dome, you know I'm
And here also you can find fields guard. I don't know. We also seen just now the coconut is fall down and the man stands just nearby. He got lucky, so he fall just near him, but be careful. This height from there, yeah, it could kill you if it fall on your head. But the guy just took a picture with the coconut.
I found myself apologizing when you've started it. Why?
Also guys, if you're gonna visit it on the bike or on the car especially, when you look at the Google Maps, go to the right side.
From the right side.
From the right side here, because you can see how good the road here, but we go on the very, very bad road. We go from the left side, yeah. And here we reached highest top place with these letters and this heart with rice workers, and you can take a picture here.
Whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I? We can't stop it. So
we enjoyed the view. And
yeah, these terraces are pretty amazing.
Yeah, so cool. And we going towards Yeh Ho Waterfall. It's nearby. I think it's 15 minutes from here.
We go by a good road.
Yeah. Okay, we reached this place. There is a parking to this waterfall. I just realized that waterfall called Yahoo.
Yahoo! When we reached it, because it was again really steep road up, we were like, Yahoo! That we reached it.
The entrance costs 10,000 rupees. It's including parking, I suppose. This serpentine road towards waterfall. Let's go.
it's time to open your eyes and let go.
And we also can see this rice fields from here because it's all around. I think it's everything starts here.
You got a lot of exes, but none of them know you better. The stories you've heard could be you and I. Hey, let me explain, get to the reason why it's not.
Yeah, and we reached waterfall.
You know it's truth deep inside. Won't you let it go?
Sorry.
Probably can't hear anything.
Yeah, it's really loud in here. The waterfall itself not so big, but pretty nice. I like these leaves which grow from the top of the hill. You can swim here.
You guys having a picnic.
Yeah.
The water comes all the way to you, so it's pretty wet in here, and you get wet too. It's pretty refreshing.
is clouding up and up. Won't stop until common sense applies. The sun and illuminate.
We checked our waterfall, and now we're going to
Have lunch.
having lunch near Bratan Lake.
It's pretty scary.
We arrived in Bali Botanic Garden. So can you hear this sound? Every 2 seconds. Like it's,
This is a giant ficus tree.
it's really nice and beautiful here.
Hello.
Uh,
Bali. I'm from Probolinggo. Bromo Mountain.
Linger